From the home page, the main menu gives you access to every section of the application. Open it from the header and tap the birds entry to land on the bird list. We start on the home page, where every tile and shortcut for the current season is gathered. The main menu slides in from the left and lists every area of the application. Here is the bird list, empty for now, ready to welcome your first records. When you need to register many birds at once, the Bulk Add wizard lets you set shared defaults like species, sex, cage, contact, and tag, then generates a draft and saves every record in a single batch. The wizard opens, only the species field is shown at first. Species selected, the other shared defaults now appear. We ask the wizard to prepare 5 records. The default sex is set to unknown for every generated bird. We pick the first suggested cage as the default. We pick the first suggested contact from the address book as the previous owner of every record. We add the Do Not Sell tag to every record. The draft is ready and every row can still be tweaked before insertion. 5 new birds are saved in one batch, ready to appear in the bird list. And here we are, back on the bird list with every freshly imported bird ready to be paired, bred, or sold. Now that the list has a few birds, let me show you how to edit several of them at the same time. From the bird list, switch into multi-selection mode, pick the records you want to edit, then change shared fields like tags and cage in a single dedicated screen. We open the menu next to the page title. It gathers the list-wide actions. We activate multi-selection. Every row now exposes a checkbox. We pick the first 3 birds we want to update. The bulk edit screen opens. The 3 selected birds are listed on the left, and the shared editor sits on the right. Inside the bulk edit table, we narrow our focus to the first 2 rows. We pick the first available tag in the drop-down. We tap Apply. The tag is queued as a pending change on both selected rows. Now we unselect the first row, so only 1 bird remains selected. We open the cage selector and pick the second suggested cage. We tap Apply again. The cage change is queued on the remaining selected row. Clicking the Records Pending Update summary expands every row so we can review the changes before saving. We save the pending changes. Every queued update is written in one batch. Opening the first bird's card confirms the bulk edit landed on the document. Finally, we follow the navigation breadcrumb back to the bird list, exactly where we started. That's Birds Evolution, the bird breeding companion that keeps your records and your bird's genetics in perfect sync. Discover more at birdsevolutionpro.com.